Yo, Primo, what you doing, man? Come on with that remix, fam.
DJ Primo. Working the mix.
Well, most of us spend $1.20 for every dollar we make. There's gotta come a tipping point where our pockets are breaking, but we greedy. We just wanna take, will it beyond our means? Which means what kind of fate? Cause everything is borrowed and everything is loaned. Everybody's the same, it's like everybody's close. Spiritually we're owned by this sick disease. People fiend for the celeb life, I love to be ease. It's not all bad, but please, losing your soul is more expensive than a vanity fee. College degrees will help the greater expose this. Research shows this, street cats know this. Whether you're rich or you're flawless, it's only a heart's condition that can slow this. Hope you don't have to end the life of riding with Ecclesiastes to wake up and notice. You can talk it up and bluff. You always got the latest stuff. Now that's got you out of cuff, but you still can't get enough. You tell yourself you're gonna stop as soon as you make it to the top. But your life is bound to flop, cause God don't work on your clock. Consumer minded, we've been blinded, looking for love and materials, we'll never find it. One better, faster, cheaper. We got more technology, but our character is weaker. We got 27 pairs, but we want another sneaker. Daydreaming in church instead of listening to the speaker, but then we're